Yes. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Let's play. Here we go. Yes. Come on. Yes. 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 Come on. Let's play. Yes. Yes. You want to play? Come on. Yes. Yeah. Play. Oh yeah. Yes. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's play. Come on. Come on. Don't be camera shy. Just play. Yep, no, he loves to play when he says the camera is disturbing me. There we go. Come on. 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 There we go. Yes. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Don't be camera shy. Go. Yes. Come on. There we go. Come on. There we go. Yes. Come on. This is my black Cap Lory. He's 10 years old. And nobody loves to play. But he's also freaked out by this camera pointing at him saying, "What is that thing?" Going for your close-up. Don't be shy. These guys are normally brave and very bold, but yep, at the worst moment then they become shy. There you go. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, there we go, play. Yes, play. Come on, play. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. You can tell look at the bottle there. He just chewed that all up. This is his good bottle. Loves to chew them. And it's strong, so you can take this and toss it around. Yeah. Oh, yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Only thing, when you play with them, you gotta keep your fingers out of the way. The accident nails you. Ooh, that hurts. Yeah, that little sharp beak there can poke your skin. Yes. Yes. And he likes his Fiji water bottle. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. Yeah. Oh, yes. Just a good fun, yeah. Yes, you were shy birdie, yeah. Yes. Come on. It's not going to hurt you. Come on. There you go. Come on. This bird is, I guess about 67% good. The other is, could be a pain. But more good than bad. The biggest problem with these guys is demanding. You have to be there for, they expect you to be there. You got to play with them. Unless you have a partner for them, then it's better. Well, we have other birds, but this guy is the most demanding of all. Mostly good-natured. It's only been several years since he really bit me. I mean, he's pinched me trying to play with his toys. Yeah. Yes, come on. Come on, you can do it. You can play. Yes. Okay, well, I guess that's it. He's a little bit too camera shy, but yep, you can see he's a lot of fun. Okay. Enjoy the video.